Here is a step-by-step formula on how you can learn mechanical day trading completely for free. So a step-by-step approach to the market instead of having to use your intuition, which has currently failed you so far, hasn't it? Because for me, I'll put my hand up, I'm a failed discretionary trader. I couldn't make it work. I wanted to be that NQ bottom tick warrior and I just couldn't do it. So I decided to drop my ego and go with this approach instead. And it worked for me. I'm out here living in Bali now. And I've been living in Southeast Asia for the last year, just off pure day trading. If you want the step-by-step in your DMs instead of watching this whole video, just comment PDF below and I'll send it over for free. But my step-by-step strategy goes as follows. 4-hour time frame to determine the bias, install the fractals indicator by Rachel T, find the most recent break of structure. If that most recent break of structure is one to the upside, you're bullish on the lower time frame, vice versa for bearish. My lower time frame is the 5 minute. I want you to mark out session times. I want you to mark out midnight for Asian Open, 8 AM for London Open, and 1 PM for New York Open for 4x. Session times are marked out. If you are bullish on the 4 hour, that means you need to mark out previous session low. So if we're in London session, which is a London session and New York session strategy, mark out Asian lows. Wait for Asian lows to get taken out. First bullish candle to form. Once Asian lows have been taken out, put your fib tool, and I'll put my fib tool levels in that PDF that I'll send you. Put your fib tool on previous plus current session high to previous plus current session low. Wait for price to tap that 0.079 zone, which is the fake out zone. Once that's happened, wait for a break of structure to the upside in line with bias on the 5 minute. Once that break of structure's happened, put your entry fib tool, so a new fib tool now, on the lowest point in current session to the highest point made after the break of structure. Limit orders in the Goldilocks, 1 to 3 risks to reward. Stop loss at the 1.025 mark. This is literally all I use every single day. I do not change my strategy at all, regardless of what the market gives me. I don't believe in adapting. I've got the data to prove my shit is more likely to work in the future than it is to not. So there you go.